Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'll be showcasing a very simple method for implementing drag and drop in your games in GameMaker Studio 2. So for this example project, I have an empty room and then I made a sprite and an object for our drag and drop code. So before you start coding anything, make sure that the origin of your sprite that you're going to use for your object is where you want your mouse cursor to interact with it. Because with our code that we're going to implement later, the origin is going to matter. Okay, so now that we got that important stuff out of the way, let's add our object into our room. Now this object isn't going to do anything yet because it has no code, so let's change that. So we have our object right here, and we're going to have to add an event. So the event that we're going to add is mouse left down. So whatever happens in here is going to happen when our mouse cursor is on our object and we're holding the left key down. So this is actually pretty simple. We're only going to add 2 lines of code. So we're going to add x equals mouse x and y equals mouse y. So essentially what this is going to do is when this event is triggered, the x and y position of our drag and drop object will be equivalent to the x and y position of our mouse cursor. Okay, so now that we have this code and our object in the room, let's test this out. As you can see, the object is moving when I'm holding the left key on my mouse and I'm dragging and dropping it. So yeah, that's the simple method for coding drag and drop in GameMaker Studio 2. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial and this little cat that I drew. If you have any suggestions for other tutorials, please leave it in the comments below, and I hope this was helpful.